Hello everyone. Today's topic India People and Economy. Chapter Manufacturing Industries. Subject Geography. Class 12. Slide 1. Classifications of industries. There are 5 classifications. First one, on the basics of size, capital labor force, large, medium, small, cottage. Second one, on the basics of ownership, public, private, joint. Slide 2. Cooperative. Third one, on the basics of product, basic, capital, intermediate, consumer industries. Fourth one, on the basic of raw material, agro-based, forest, mineral, industrially processed. Fifth one, natural of product, metallurgical, mechanical and chemical. Slide 3. Textile, food processing, electricity generation, electronics, communication, location of industries, locational factors, raw materials, power, transport, labor, historical factors, industrial policy. Slide 4. Major industries, iron and steel industries, raw materials, iron ore, cooking coal, limestone, dolomite, manganese, fire, clay. Types of iron and steel industries, integrated steel plants, mini steel plants. Slide 5. Here there is a picture which explains iron and steel industries. Slide 6. Rolling mills, ancillary industries, integrated steel plants. Tisco 250 km from Kolkata, water. Subarnarekha, Turkey, rivers, iron ore. Nalmudi and Badampahar, coal. Joda mines from Orissa, cooking coal. Jaria, IISCO, 3 factories at Hirapur, Kulti, etc. Gold, Raniguni. VISL, also called Mysore Iron and Steel Corporate Limited, iron ore, Kemangundi. Slide 7. Limestone Magnus Local, ROUKELA, collaboration with Germany, located nearby raw materials, coal, Jaria iron ore, Sundargarh, power, Hiragudwata coal, BHILAI, Russian collaboration, iron ore, Dali Rajhara, coal, Korna. The cotton textile industry, one of the traditional industries in India. India is famous for muslin, etc. Slide 8. Here there is a picture which explains cotton textile industry in India. Slide 9. Advantages available for cotton textile industries. Cotton cloth is most comfortable in tropical climate. Large area under cotton cultivation. Advantages of cotton textiles in Mumbai. Close to cotton growing areas. Mumbai port facility provide capital for industries. Sectors of cotton textiles. Organized sector, integrated textile. Slide 10. Cotton is not weight losing material. Influencing factors are power, labor, capital, market. At present, industries are located at the markets. Swadeshi movement brought a major impetus to the industry, boycotting British goods after 1921. Cotton mills at Kanpur based on local investment. In South India, they are established in Coimbatore, Madurai and Bangalore. Slide 11. Problems of cotton mills. High cost of production, climatic changes decrease production. Sugar industry, most important industry, 8% of sugar production in India, provide 4 lakh persons employment. Location of sugar industry, it is a weight losing industry crop. Petrochemical industries, in 1960 demand for organic chemicals increased. Petroleum refining industry expanded. They are called petrochemical industry. Slide 12. Subgroups of petrochemical, polymers, synthetic fiber, etc. Indian Petrochemical Corporation Limited. It is public sector, produce polymers, chemical fiber, fiber intermediates. National Organic Chemicals Industries Limited. Established in private sector in 1961. First naphtha based chemical industry at Mumbai. Slide 13. Here there is a picture which explains petrochemical industry in India. Slide 14. Uses of plastic. To make fabrics. Uses: strength, durability, washability, resistant to water, etc. Centers of alloy and polyester. Mumbai, Modinagar, Pune, etc. Knowledge-based industry. Brought revolution in the industry. Brought new economic and social environment. Slide 15. Thank you everyone.